This is Ayaka Amaha Öztürk speaking from Turkish Marine Research Foundation, TÜDAV, and I'm going to talk about the ocean literacy. In the previous module, you learned about what ocean literacy is. In this module, you will learn practical strategies we did within the Black Sea regions. Sitting on pillars of ocean literacy, this module will give you case-specific examples of three main actors in the Black Sea literacy. So the first is a topic, which is the Black Sea ecosystems. The second, the audience, Black Sea coastal communities. And the third, communication tools, which are the examples from the Bridge BS project. So why Black Sea literacy, not just ocean literacy? Because the Black Sea has its own peculiarities in terms of oceanography and biodiversity, as well as threats. And I will explain to you in the next slide. But Bridge Project has initiated and established a Black Sea literacy network to highlight these peculiarities. So if you're interested in, you can follow the link on the screen. And additionally, we are producing a leaflet on Black Sea literacy for your information. So here I explain the peculiarities of the Black Sea basin. Black Sea is a closed, well, we say semi-closed sea with high dependency on the fresh current from the Mediterranean through the Turkish Strait system. Its biodiversity is quite low, but the productivity is very high. And the invasion of alien species has been quite significant in this semi-closed sea. As a service dynamics, they have influence on marine life stocks, economy and tourism, and other human activities. But the Black Sea has been facing serious threats in the past few decades, such as fisheries in terms of overfishing and illegal fishing and bycatch of non-target animals, habitat destruction, pollution of all kinds, invasive alien species, and there have been some political conflicts in neighboring countries. So here I want to talk about the coastal communities of the Black Sea. Knowing your audience is a key element in communication. So what are the characteristics of these Black Sea coastal communities? They heavily rely on fisheries. They have diverse cultures such as languages, religions, and traditions. And it's not just one country. There are 6 countries altogether. And they have sea-immersed lives in terms of cuisine, transportation, accessibility, climate, etc., etc. And as I said, they may have political disputes with neighboring nations. So here I explain what we can do to raise awareness and increase ocean literacy. Education is the best way to integrate behavioral change into society, either through formal education, such as curriculum integration in school system, or informal education, such as visiting museums, or setting up camps, or summer schools, etc., as well as through citizen participation effort, like workshops, citizen science, science cafes, Through these activities, you can get people to engage in education, and you can increase the awareness and ocean literacy. So here are some examples which are carried out within the Black Sea BS project. Beach cleanups by school children, art installations with marine litter, lectures in schools, as well as the youth centers. In the Istanbul Strait, dolphin watch cruises were organized for students, and experts explained about the ecosystem of the Black Sea. We also organized a scientific diving course for young marine researchers of the Black Sea Basin. Summer schools were organized twice with the university students, with the experts explaining all aspects of the Black Sea. Blue Career Center was organized online. And this Mooc and other formal and informal education efforts have been made within this project. There are lots of other activities carried out in whole Black Sea Basin in each country. So I will not explain all of them here, and you can always refer to the Bridge BS website. This is a photo from the diving course. The diving course was made in Chile on the Black Sea coast of Turkey. And 6 students participated this diving course, as well as young scientists from the region. It has been very successful, and it gives them the opportunity to have a hands-on experience on marine science. Citizen engagement. There are numerous ways of engagement, and examples are always case-specific. And here are some from our project, such as local festivals, which are very good tools to introduce marine culture and ocean literacy for local people. And seminars and workshops have been organized. And here we published 2 books. One is on the Black Sea seafood recipes for responsible consumption campaign, so that when the people consume seafood, they also need to learn the responsible consumption, following the fisheries regulations and stuff like that. Another book was published for lighthouses in the Black Sea to raise awareness on the marine beauty and heritage of the Black Sea. Also, local activities were organized by Black Sea Young Ambassadors. And there were some occasions to experience Black Sea in many different ways. So as conclusion, there's a need of communication of marine science. It's not just scientists who would protect the Black Sea. There are also the citizens, including school children, local people, authorities. They need to be informed about marine science. You have to know the audience, your challenges, and tailor your message accordingly. And that's a key importance for communication. And you need to know the tools and strategies as well. And there are 7 principles of ocean literacy, as we talked. For the Black Sea, there are some specific issues. So it's not just ocean literacy. You will learn Black Sea specific topics, and you have to understand the peculiarities of the Black Sea. There are several networks for ocean literacy, including Black Sea Ocean Literacy Network that you should be familiar with, and the practical examples from the Bridge BS project have been presented here. So I'm sure you will learn some strategies and some unique aspects of our activities through this module. So thank you for watching.